this month, we are going to give it away. Every single sub box, we're receiving $50 of the e-gift cards. And then also, when you are placing order, you can use those, like after you get the sub box, you can definitely use those to purchase during a special anniversaries month. And then also, once your orders arrive, you are also receiving $100 of e-gift card inside during an anniversary month, so you can use it for a future purchase. So I just using the condensed glue gels and no web top coat. Do not care condensed glue gels. You are going to apply one good layer of the condensed glue gel, blend it out well on the nail surface. I usually apply the whole entire the nails, but if you all know exactly what areas you are going to, you can definitely place it on this area only. And then I'm gonna floating the no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels, and then we're gonna using this beautiful, I love this flower so much. And then you can do it so many different ways. You can have, it's come with like a radiance type of a radiance crystal.
It's a radiant cut crystal.
And then we can put it in right here. I'm gonna just like adjusting it to make sure that it's in the right angle because it's curved on the back. So then you can have it's like slight curve right into the nails. I'm gonna move it just a little bit now. You can do it up and down. You can do it right here. You do close to the cuticles area. It's up to you how you would like to add that one on. And I'm so excited because I got this beautiful gloves crystal for my sub box. And I'm so excited because a lot of you I saw, thank you so much for sharing. It's unboxing. A lot of you are getting like a light green, pink, or white, or blue. It's so many crystal in there. So I'm gonna place the big one. The big like crystal, like I would say size SS12, SS16. Okay.
So, hey Alicia, so what you get is on the sub box, you'll get the $50 gift card that you can use right now during this month, at the anniversary month. And if you make an order right now during the anniversary month, you will get $100 gift card that you can use at a later date.
Yes, because we ours appreciate every single of you so much for the love and support. Couldn't even show our appreciation. The best way we want to say thank you to every single one of you for the amazing love and support. We wouldn't be here without every single one of you. So look at that. I'm having so much fun. You can do any colors you want. There's like, you know, if you like the sub box, you like the colors. There's 8 color total for gloves you can get if you want to. And then they're all on sale. All of them are on sales. It's so beautiful.
And Zoom, yes, you can get the flower from us at glitzextensions.com, and they are on sale right now. Under $5 nail art. We have a lot of different design and a lot of different colors. Check them out.
Yes, they have so many. I love this so much.
Yes, I noticed these are handcrafted, so somebody actually sit down and do every single one of them. So even if you get the same design, you will see there's like a unique features on each flower. A little bit different. They're not exactly the same.
They look similar.
They yes, same design, but just a little bit variation because somebody actually did sit down and do this one by hand.
The handcrafted. So I'm not placing the beads on it, but you know what? If you don't want the beads on it, you can definitely key it and you are apply the pieces and glue gels and you're good to go. If you want to add some beads on, some frame on, some charms on, absolutely. I want to check them on it out in front. And And we're gonna add a couple more. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of loves for this one. Let me do a little bit of frame in there. I'm just so obsessed with this frame, and let's give it a little bit of a personality. And you can add another ones on the top of this. It doesn't have to be on the end. So as long as you keep all of your crystals is like connecting together. You see that I place them really tight together, so they're not only stay really nice and concrete next to each other, it also will keep it really nice design. So whatever you place them close together, you will never you'll never go wrong with this. And then we are going to have, if you're happy with this, we are going to wipe up on the edges and cure for 60 seconds.